The way we got it off of there is by putting a little bit of water on that restriction line that we made at the beginning. That shocks the glass, makes it the weak point, so that when you tap the pipe, it just breaks at that weakest part, which is the lip of the piece. So we broke it on purpose, but we did it in a specific controlled way so that we could work on the other side. It's kind of like working on a clay wheel. We're just doing it sideways. So Paul made sure that was on center, so when he rolls it up and down the rails, it's not falling up and down from being off center. But now what he could do is fix the lip of this piece. Since we broke it off of that pipe, it's jagged and uneven and kind of thick at the top. So he's going to take some tweezers and stretch the lip out a little longer. And then once he's done that, he's going to take some scissors and cut off the uneven parts at the top. So he's basically going to give the lip of this piece a little trim so that it's all the way across straight. And the glass is hot enough, you can cut it. Crazy. Most people don't put